Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add location on Mico. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Mico application. Make sure you are logged into your Mico account. Now tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on your displayed name. Now tap on the paper and pencil icon. There, you can find current locations option. Tap on it. Now select your location. If you prefer not to mention your location, tap on I'd rather not to say option. And this is how you can add location on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on future videos.